Hey, skill seekers! Ever dreamed of transforming your photos into breathtaking hand-drawn Ghibli-style artwork? Today, I'll show you how to do it effortlessly using AI for free. No fancy software, no artistic skills needed. Just follow these simple steps, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own magical Studio Ghibli-inspired artwork. Whether you want to transform your own pictures or generate iconic moments like Modi and Trump's meeting, Dhoni's World Cup winning shot, or even the grand opening of the Ram Mandir, stick around because in the next 5 minutes I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And hey, if you love discovering new creative skills, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Now, it's free for you, but it really helps the channel grow. Let's dive in. Step 1. Accessing Grok AI. First, we need access to the right AI tool. Forget traditional ChatGPT because it requires a paid subscription for image generation. Instead, we'll use Grok AI, an advanced AI tool capable of turning your photos into stunning Ghibli-style masterpieces. How to log in to Grok AI. Open your browser and search for Grok AI Login. Click on the official Grok AI website. Sign in using your Gmail or any email account. If you don't have an account, create one. It's completely free. Step 2. Uploading your photo. Now that we're logged in, it's time to upload your photo. Choose a clear, high-quality picture of yourself, a friend, or any subject you want to convert into a Ghibli-style painting. Click the Upload button and select your image. Ensure the face and details are clearly visible for the best results. Now, let's move on to the most important part, using the perfect prompt. Step 3. Using the perfect prompt. Here's where the magic happens. AI tools work best with precise instructions, so here's the exact prompt to type in. Best prompt for Ghibli-style art. Turn this photo into a hand-painted Ghibli-style artwork. Use soft pastel colors, dreamy lighting, a magical fantasy background, and a warm, nostalgic feel. Make it look like a frame from a Studio Ghibli movie. You can find the above prompt in the description. Just copy and paste it in the AI tool. Pro tips for better results. Try different prompts by tweaking small details. Example, village background or mystical forest scene. Use descriptive words like warm lighting, soft brush strokes, or animated film look. Be patient. Sometimes the AI takes a few tries to get it just right. Step 4. Generating an image using AI prompt. Now, if you don't want to upload an image, no worries. You can simply type a prompt to create an entirely new Ghibli-style scene from scratch. Example, prompts, Modi and Trump meeting, Ghibli-style. Create a Studio Ghibli-style painting of Narendra Modi and Donald Trump shaking hands in front of a grand historical backdrop with warm golden lighting and a dreamy animated aesthetic. MS Dhoni's World Cup winning moment. Illustrate MS Dhoni's iconic World Cup winning shot in Studio Ghibli style, with fireworks in the sky, a cheering crowd, and a magical aura surrounding him as he swings his bat. Ram Mandir Grand Celebration. Create a breathtaking Ghibli-style painting of the Ram Mandir inauguration, with golden temple lights glowing at dusk, a sky full of divine colors, and thousands of devotees celebrating in a magical atmosphere. You can modify the prompts by adding specific emotions, background details, or lighting effects. Mention your favorite Ghibli movie inspirations like Spirited Away or Howl's Moving Castle for a closer match to that aesthetic. You can find all these prompts in the below description. Step 5. Troubleshooting errors. Now, some of you might get an error, or the image might not generate as expected. Don't worry, here's how to fix common issues. Common errors and fixes. Error. Prompt not supported. Fix. Rewrite the prompt in simpler words. Avoid using Ghibli directly. Try hand-painted anime style instead. Error. Image processing failed. Fix. Upload a different image with a clear face and background. AI generates weird-looking faces. Fix. Use a prompt like, make the face detailed and expressive like Ghibli characters. Step 6. Saving and using your image. Once your AI-generated masterpiece is ready, it's time to save it. How to download your image. Long press the image on mobile or right-click on PC. Select Download Image. Save it to your device and share it on Instagram, WhatsApp, or anywhere you like. Bonus tip: want an even higher quality version? Try enhancing the image with tools like Ghibli AI or Let's Enhance. Step 7. Creating a Ghibli-style video. Want to take this to the next level? Let's create an entire Ghibli-style animated video from your images. How to animate your Ghibli-style images. Generate multiple images in different poses using the same prompt. Use a video editing app like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Rush. Arrange the images in sequence with smooth transitions. Add Ghibli-style background music for the final touch. And there you have it, skill seekers. Your own stunning AI-generated Ghibli-style artwork, 100% free. Did this method work for you? Drop a comment below and share your results. And if you want more AI art tricks, let me know what I should cover next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who love Studio Ghibli. See you in the next video. Stay creative.